This 2022 Prime Time Sanibel 3802WB is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Newtown, Connecticut, 06470 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Newtown. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Prime Time is 41 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 6, slide-out, and 54 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bath and a half, front entertainment, front living area, kitchen island, outdoor entertainment, rear bath. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.